That's what I thought you said.
Yes, buena familia. So today I am doing a little photo shoot. I recently did my hair. I finished my hair yesterday and I want to do something cute. I want to do a little photo shoot. I haven't done one in a while. I like just using whatever I have. In the past, I've done like a Halloween shoot as well. All done in my room in a corner on my bed with the cheapest of cheap material. I make it work. I have a vision and I make it work. This is going to be my first shoot of 2023 and I'm documenting my whole process. So the inspiration, I went on Google, I searched black girl photo shoot and I was liking this, so this is the style, the aesthetic I'm going for. No, I don't have a bodysuit. No, I don't got shiny boots. I don't even know if the backdrop I have for this is going to work. This is my wall panel I have set up in my room. On my floor, standing up. This is the fabric that I have. I'm going to use not the first side. So I actually used this fabric for my backdrop in my video for the hairstyle I have right now. I used the furry side, but for this shoot I'm gonna use the back side of it. I don't have a bodysuit for this shoot, so I'm gonna improvise. I have a long sleeve black shirt that I'm going to put on, and I'm going to tuck it into some biker shorts. For the boots, I have these shoes. I wash the bottoms because we don't do shoes in the house. We take our shoes off. No outside germs inside, so. Taking these photos and as I'm shooting, I'm like, these look kind of good. Before I'm even done taking the photos, I just go through them and see what I like, what I don't like, and I delete what's not working. This one, these pictures look so good. So I look for blurriness. Is my eye closed? I look for poses I liked, poses I didn't like, and I'll just go through, delete, favorite, and if there's a pose that I really liked, I will try to recreate that pose in my next session, like when I go to take pictures again after this. And I'll try to get different angles. I also look if the lighting is too harsh. See, my eye looks crazy. I want to see if the lighting is too harsh. Do I like it? Do I not like it? That whole thing. This one? With the nails? Nah, that looks good. my second round of photos. I'm going back into my gallery and seeing what I liked, what I didn't like. I see some shots that I like, so I can favorite them. Ooh, like this one. After I filter out my pictures, go through what I like, what I don't like, delete what's not needed, I launch Picsart, and that is my primary editing software, Picsart. I do everything either on my phone or on my iPad, one of the two. Here we go. On to editing. I am in Picsart, and I'm just going to select my image. You used to be able to screen record what you're doing, but that is no more. So first thing I'm gonna try to clean up is my shirt. It has a lot of lint on it. They got rid of the blemish fix free, so I'm gonna do a workaround, which is to blur it, erase everything, erase the whole effect. Probably should use my pencil. And then restore. And just clean up most of the flyaway, whatever I could get. Just blurring it out. It doesn't have to be perfect, just a little cleaner than what it is right now. Do you see the difference? Lint, no lint, lint, no lint. So I'm gonna fade the effect a little bit. So lint, I'm just gonna fade it just until, like, I don't want it too harsh like that. I'm gonna fade it just until it looks less crazy. Second thing I'm gonna do is fix the background up here. And how I usually cover backgrounds is putting a piece of, like, patching it up, basically. I put the same photo in, larger than the first one, and I'm gonna erase most of it. When I get close to the patch, I'm gonna bring down the hardness and just blend it in the corner. And press OK. That covered up the patch. I'm also gonna blur out my hair scrunchie. I'm not gonna blur it out, I'm gonna patch it. So I'm gonna crop my twists. And make it about the same size as my twists. Sometimes I'll erase the whole thing and just restore here. Just cover up. Now I'm gonna go into effects. think I'm gonna do this one and bring it down. So this is no filter, this is 100% filter. I think I'm gonna do like $50. Apply that, and then I'm gonna go in with the second filter, which was this one. I love this one. April. APR 2, maybe 30. And I'm gonna add a little bit more color to make it pop. Do 57% saturation to make it pop, and that's it.